We present the Value Vault, a post-mortem analysis tool to cope with a broad scope of data relating to the consumer's experiences with products. The Value Vault is an editable database installed on every computer of a company. A user profile is used to log in and open the Value Vault. When access is granted, the portal for a product portfolio is opened, in this case for Philips Consumer Lifestyle. Here, the entire portfolio is divided into product categories. Suppose you are designing a new steamer and want to know more about the consumer's experience with the existing steamers. Simply go to the appropriate category and locate the steamer product family. All steamers are shown together and can be further explored to get more specific in-depth information. Let's zoom in on the Philips HD 9140. At this level, everything about the consumer's experiences with the product can be found. Each product has its own value proposition, the Value Proposition House. The VPH can be viewed to get an idea of what the product is designed to do and which values are targeted. Data about the consumer's experiences is gathered through the different channels, the Internet Service Centers, help desks, and through trade and testing. Data collected about the consumer's experiences is called product experience data and is divided in experience samples, each containing a single experience. These samples are linked to the values of the VPH. When this isn't possible, additional values are created. These additional values are also important for the consumer and a source of potential new design opportunities. The original and additional values are situated on the main stage and placed inside a ring. A bigger ring equals more samples and indicates the importance of the value for the consumer. A distinction is made between positive and negative experiences. The ratio between positive and negative samples is visualized in the ring by color, green for positive and red for negative. Thus, the importance and success of each value can be determined by respectively the size and color of each ring. Furthermore, the influence of each data stream can be seen by switching them on or off. A value can be highlighted to view more in-depth information regarding the product experience data within that value. On this level, the information can again be filtered per data stream, but also according to the specific fields of interest: consumer, product, and technology. Suppose you are working within the consumer marketing or application research department. The experience samples from this consumer perspective will be most interesting. The Value Vault immediately filters the data to your interest and visualizes the product's consequences experienced by the consumer that are most closely related to the core value identified. Through this detailed information, a deeper understanding of why the VPH is met or not is provided. It also enables insights in what the consumer's wishes and needs are regarding that specific value. Additional information about a certain aspect can be acquired by simply clicking on the next circle in the chain. It is also possible to view the raw field data itself. On the other hand, the Perspective product focuses on visualizing information that is relevant for the department development, since they are responsible for creating an actual product from the value proposition. Information on how the consumer's experiences are related to the product's attributes is provided. It shows the positive and negative design factors that consumers have experienced while using the product. The third field of interest is called technology and can be of interest for the engineering department. They are responsible for turning a product design into a product which actually can be manufactured. For this reason, more specific product information is presented, still connected to the product's attributes, consequences, and values. Over the course of time, the amount of data inside the Value Vault will grow and become a vital tool to improve future consumer experiences. Value Vault. Know your customer.